what are the different licenses for Soho One, and what should be the appropriate for any kind of businesses, or how can I know if I got the right license?
Yeah, that's a very common question. With Zoho One, you will have two different type of licenses. One will be for the company-wide license that you can have all your company under the same license, and that will cost you $30 per month per user. If you're not having the entire organization under the same license, then you will have it will cost you about $75 per license per user. The most business owners, they are trying to be creative with the licenses. And that means that, let's say that I have 10 users in my organization. Instead of paying for all the users, I will try to have one license with Zoho One, which is $75. And then I will have all the Zoho One applications. And then I will have, let's say, only mail licenses for the rest of the users. So basically, I have all the applications, but I'm paying only for $75 for the one user, which gives me all the applications, and then the rest of them will have just the email licenses, which is $1 each. But the problem is that Zoho blocked it. You cannot do it. I think there was a point in time that you could do it. Probably you could, but they blocked it. There is no way to do it anymore. If you have a Zoho One, you're restricted to have only a Zoho One license, and you cannot mix licenses. So that's the most common question from business owners. How can I pay less for the licenses? And the answer is you can't.
Okay. Yeah, sounds great.
Thank you very much for watching this session. I'm promoting now my Zoho CRM course. I am giving 50% off to my existing customers that tagged me as a partner. And of course, I'm also giving 50% off to new customers that tagging me as their partner. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this session. I will see you in the next one.